I guess it doesn't take rocket science to know what we're doing right now. Goodness gracious, you're taking over the sidewalk. Do you own this part of the sidewalk or something? Okay, we're gonna paint these shelves. This is how we're gonna do it. Right here, right in front of her shop.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice breeze here.
Nice breeze, it'll dry after a while, and people will just have to walk around us. It's on a day that it's kind of quiet here in Wailuku. You're doing a fine job there, young lady.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll get my painting garb on. We'll get ready to go.
What you got there, Joe?
Say it again. What?
What you got there, Joe? I see you hiding something.
Well, since we're starting to paint, this is not for this, but you know what? We did yesterday. What was it? We painted with pink paint, right?
Yes.
And you have a pink nail apron, I heard.
Yeah.
And you need a pencil for it, right? Everybody needs a construction pencil. Well, this is probably the only pink one. There you go.
Who'd have thunk it? And Joe, you found one.
I found it. Somehow
Painted one.
I figured something out, but that's for your pink nail apron.
Oh, thanks,
Okay.
Joe. I'll put it here for now.
Okay, let's get busy, shall we?
do this.
Let's do it. I thought I'd shoot this because you're not going to see this every day out here on the street in Wailuku. You know, people over here having their coffee, wondering what we're doing over here on this side.
Isn't that fun?
Yep. Now see there, you're almost done with one shelf already, one
Yep.
coat. Good
Yep.
job. Yeah, I'd cover the whole thing. And then once you get all of these shelves done, then you remember where you started from, and chances are that's going to be dry enough for you to start again.
Yeah, I bet so. Especially with this cool breeze out here.
Yes.
I think we'll be in luck and it won't take us forever.
Yes. Okay. All right. Good job. I'll jump back and I'll hit all the edges with the little paintbrush.
Sounds good.
Okay? Alrighty. See, any average Joe can do this, don't you think?
Absolutely. Although I'm an average Terry, but yes.
Yes. I don't believe what my little eyes are seeing. She's already putting shoes on the shelves that we just put in. They're hardly even dry yet, but she just had to put them on.
I just had to do it.
Wow, those really pop against those white shelves and the pink background.
Yeah, totally, I love it. And then I love this because I had that red dye on the shelf, and it bled through.
Yeah, isn't that a shame?
I love it, and I'm
I
gonna
do
put
too.
a bunch of flowers all over these things. It's gonna be so cute.
And you know what? You're already starting. I thought you were gonna wait for me to hang things up with you, and you already got some stuff going on. I like that.
Yeah, these are all my dyes. I dye all the wedding shoes with those up there. So
Oh, really? Okay.
Custom mix them, and I paint. I do a lot of painting, and this is all stuff when I'm on the floor, so it kind of needs to be here and handy.
Yeah. You know what would be cool?
What?
If you made a YouTube video dyeing shoes. I can hardly wait until you do that. Are you going to do that?
I'm going to dye you a pair of shoes and do it on video.
No way. What kind of shoes do I have that need to be dyed?
I'll find something.
You'll find something.
So this is going to be next, right, Joe? We're going to...
Yeah.
The bench we're going to do, that'll be pretty once we
Okay,
do
is that the next thing?
Well, no, we're going to paint the white wall out there first.
Oh, we're going to paint that because that's where your front shoes are, and you want to make a nice statement.
Yeah.
And it would be nice to do that next, I think.
Yeah. But then the final touch to this room will be this gnarly workbench.
Yes, we're going to have to work on this
That'd be
workbench,
pretty.
do something nice with that, and we're going to have to clean this floor somehow.
Yeah.
We'll get that all cleaned, and I like the pink cabinet. Nice.
I know, me too. Hey, Joe, before you go,
What?
This came in the mail.
Uh-oh.
You told me not to open anything.
Okay.
Do I get to open it now?
Yeah, you want to open it now?
I want to open it now.
Okay. I'm not quite sure what's in there.
I hope it's appropriate.
Yeah, from Amazon? Come on.
Okay, let's see what. Oh my God! It's a pink measuring tape. Oh.
No way!
Joe.
What is it?
Super nice gloves with pink. Gotta love it.
Oh man, I thought I got you some of those already.
Oh,
these
man.
are some professional ones.
These are really, really nice.
Yeah, those will look good with your
Totally.
pink
And
nail
look,
apron.
Two.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, they're gonna look great in my tool bag.
Oh yeah, baby.
All right, that's what's gonna happen now. Oh
Yeah.
my God, this is
Now,
so
now you
good.
see those tape measures? I
Yeah.
think one's 16 foot and one is a 6-footer.
I see. Okay.
You like that?
I love it. Are you kidding me? Look how great they're gonna look.
Awesome.
I'm gonna have to just do stuff to use it. Oh, and my pink pencil. We can't forget my pink
Yes,
pencil.
yes, I got you a pink pencil. And look, that's even pretty cool. These side deals here are
Yeah.
pink. Did
Yeah.
you do that on
Yes,
purpose?
of course, Joe.
Nice. Where's that pink pencil, by
This
the
is
way?
awesome.
Where
Oh
is that?
man. Where are my pink handled scissors to open this?
Here's your pink pencil.
Love it. That'll go right in this little doodad here. Gotta love it.
Oh, you even have a pink pen cover.
Right?
Okay.
There we go.
See, it's a light pink. I wanted a little two-tone pink
I love
there.
it. It's awesome. I
Yeah.
love this
Yeah.
with the gloves.
You're
I
really
can't believe you found them.
you're a real swinger now, I guess. And the pink head, the eyewear, right?
Yeah.
That's
and I
it
use
right
all
there.
of these for sure.
Yeah.
I'm always protecting
Wow.
myself.
And you know what? Good old Amazon. You have a couple more boxes to go, I believe.
What? That's amazing.
Yes. Yes.
Well, Joe, I see customers coming.
Okay. More customers already. Good thing we didn't close the doors yet. Go get them, Tiger.
Bye.
Yes, we didn't forget these shelves over here either. Look at this, how nice this looks now, nice and clean. This is the last time you're gonna see this as clean as it is now. But she decided she wanted to paint these shelves, even though it's in the back. Most customers aren't really gonna see this, but you know what? It's gonna help her with her psyche when she gets ready to make her own videos, right?
Yeah, totally.
Okay.
My YouTube channel, which will be terryedmonds.com.
Yes,
Or Terry Edmonds is YouTube.
Yes, Terry Edmonds. And how do you spell that, Terry?
TerryEdmonds. Terry
Very
Edmonds.
good. You've done that well.
Yeah.
Hey, that's all we have for this time. But we'll be back with more videos. We gonna get that ice cream now?
Let's go.
Okay. Let's do it.